Hi, this is Thomas here at InfoComm 2025. What we're showing here is 4K KVM over IP over 1 gig Ethernet. I wanted you to see which one is the original image, which one is encoded over 1 gig. It's pretty hard to tell actually, right? So I'm going to give you the answer here. This is the original image. This is encoded over 1 gig. To show you, I'm going to do, see now, I'm going to do a switch. Just to prove to you that it is KVM over IP. If you want to find out more, please come to booth number 4301 or www.apantac.com.